Welcome to my channel. In this video I am doing Arduino based smoke detection system with percentage levels and alerts. In this video I am using Arduino Nano, green and red LEDs, buzzer, MQ6 for smoke detection, I2C LCD, 16x2 connecting wires. First here I am connecting buzzer to the pin of D12. Red LED to D9. Green LED to D6. And 16x2 LCD connecting to Arduino Nano to A4 and A5. In I2C LCD we have VCC, ground, SDA, SCL. SDA connected to A4 pin of Arduino Nano, SCL pin connected to A5 pin of Arduino Nano. This is ground wire, this is VCC wire, SCL connecting to A5, SDA connecting to A4. In smoke sensor we have VCC, ground, D0, A0. Here I am using A0 analog input. In this wire, white color is VCC, black color is ground, brown color is output. Here I am placing smoke sensor according to color coding of wires. Ground, VCC, smoke sensor signal pin is connecting to A0 pin of Arduino Nano. For these LED indicators and buzzers, here we are connecting common ground. Now power in to the Arduino Nano with USB cable. Here we can see smoke detection system ready. Here we are seeing get smoke level. Now smoke level is 10%. The system is normal. Now we can see how to upload the code. After uploading, restart the Arduino Nano. Here you can see smoke detection, system ready. If system ready, here I am giving smoke to the smoke sensor. If percentage above 50, red LED will be on as well as buzzer also on. Here you can see 80% alert. If below 50%, green LED will be on. Here you can see normal. Thanks for the watching.